Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm a Microsoft Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to embed in Microsoft Excel. The first thing that you want to do is select a cell that you want the information to be embedded. Here we'll select A1, very first cell, and click on Insert, select Object, and then if you would like to insert a new document, which you can create information in and then have that linked into this Excel document, you can do so here and click OK. Or you can choose from File. You select this option, and I actually created a file already that we're going to insert called "This is the document to add to Excel." So we'll go ahead and insert that, and as you can see, the information from that Word document is now inserted directly into Excel. You can double-click this information, and Word will actually open up the document itself, so you can directly edit this document here. And that's how to embed it in Excel. Thanks.